Hello, I'm Ron from Kolleno, and in this short video I will show you how to void an invoice in NetSuite. The first thing is that you don't actually void an invoice in NetSuite, you credit it. So here you can see I have a total of 1773, and here I have on the top left a button credit. So I will credit, and here you can see the total became the same. It automatically took it from the invoice. It has the line item that was on my invoice. And the reason that NetSuite wants you to do a credit memo rather than just mark it as voided is really there's four reasons for it. The first one is that it provides accounting accuracy. The financial records reflect the actual transactions. The second is that there's reconciliation. It assists in reconciling accounts by matching credit memos with their corresponding invoices. The third reason is compliance. It maintains compliance with accounting standards and practices. And the fourth reason is audit trail. It provides a clear audit trail for voided transaction. So here I am on my credit memo. I'll just make sure that the posting period are similar. This is demo data. That might be a bit outdated. And then I will just click save. And then it processes it. And what you need to know is that obviously when you do a credit memo for an invoice that has been paid in full, you will end up with an excess payment because the payment has already been applied to the invoice. I mean, even for partial payment, that will be the case. And in that situation where the customer has effectively overpaid because you've done a credit memo for the invoice, you can decide how to manage it. And there's two ways to do it. The first one is to apply a refund. So you issue a refund to the customer for the overpaid amount. That's solution one. And solution two is that you leave the amount as a credit balance on the customer's account for future use. Might be a repeat customer, a subscription, they order often from you, or you have an understanding with them and they will use it at a later stage. Obviously, at every step of the process, when you issue a credit memo, you keep the excess payment or you refund the payment, you would like to notify your customers about it, ideally automatically. And for that, I would recommend that you look further into Kolleno so you can streamline that with email, SMS, tasks for your team, and your customers will be aware of your crediting of the invoices. That's it for today. Bye bye.